Most of us, at one time or another, will have used PowerPoint to give a presentation to an audience. Prezi is a piece of web-based software that offers an alternative to PowerPoint with a bit more engagement. What I'll do is just start up this Prezi, so while I'm talking we can have a look at what it does. So this is a Prezi for winter vegetable curry, giving details of the recipe. What are the advantages then of this over a PowerPoint? Well, first of all, it's a bit more dynamic. So when I start off the presentation, we've got things like zooming in to particular windows like that. Okay. Second thing, it offers two ways of presenting. You can use linear presentation, which is very similar to PowerPoint in that you can go from step 1 to step 2 and so on. So step 1, we watch step 1, and then you move on to step 2 and so on, as you would with slides on a PowerPoint. But you can also use what Prezi call conversational presenting. So if I wanted to go straight to step 3, I could do that by just clicking on it. Whereas if you were in PowerPoint, you would have to go through steps 1 and 2 before you could show step 3. Okay, so two ways of presenting. Another good thing about Prezi is that it's very easy to add certain effects to it and to add things like video. So if I go to topic 6, you can see a little video I've got there from YouTube, and we've put that in very easily. Okay, and last of all, a big advantage is the fact that, as you can see from this one here, Prezis are quite often, or more often than not, template based, and Prezi supplies a lot of those templates for you. So most of this artwork has been prepared already for me when I started to make the Prezi. Okay, so that's a little introduction to what Prezi can do for you. What I'm going to do over the next few videos is show you how to register for Prezi and then how to use the basic tools within Prezi to produce a good presentation. Have a look at the next video to see registering and starting a new template.